Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best emergency blanket that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Swiss Safe Emergency Mylar Emergency Blankets. The Swiss Safe Emergency Mylar Thermal Blanket is available in an array of colors that allow you to choose how visible you'll be in an emergency. Like most Mylar blankets, these can be put to myriad uses, including as a storm shelter, a ground cover, a solar oven and more. Moving on at number 4, we have the Don't Die in the Woods World's Toughest Emergency Blankets. This is undoubtedly one of the toughest blankets you'll find. The Don't Die in the Woods World's Toughest Emergency Blankets is one that you'll need for all your outdoor adventures. This Mylar emergency blanket has been constructed to be used by hikers, marathon runners, tactical gear preppers and to even be included in your emergency kit. Absorbing up to 90% of body heat in order to conserve heat and prevent hypothermia. This safety blanket provides year-round protection during harsh weather, season in, season out. Incorporating a design implemented by NASA, the DDITW blanket is 100% waterproof, windproof and light reflective, so it can be used in wet, rainy or windy environments. The pack includes 4 extra-large blankets, all of which are double-sided and are rolled into individual nylon stuff sacks. All of the blankets are super lightweight and compact, with a single blanket weighing only 2.2 ounces and the entire pack of 4 weighing 9.5 ounces. As such, you can easily stash single blankets anywhere, be it your bag or car. You can even carry the entire pack for your group and it will still feel as light as ever. With the DDITW survival blankets, you equally never have to worry about it being too small to fit your body. At number 3, we have the Go Time Gear Life Bivy Emergency Blankets. Now, not to be a Debbie Downer, imagine finding yourself stranded outdoors on a cloudy, stormy and wet day. How likely are you to get through that on your own? In fact, do you even have the right gear to get you through it? If your answer is no, then the Go Time Gear Life Bivy Emergency Sleeping Bag is a good place to start. Even in the case that your answer is yes, you might still want to consider this amazing product because it is worth every single penny. This Bivy sack has been specially designed for survival and has further been constructed with a highly durable 26 extra thick Mylar material that makes it highly resistant to wear and tear. With its tear and puncture resistant coating, this handy carry-on can withstand extreme conditions. It is also super lightweight, making it very convenient for you to carry around in your survival kit. Furthermore, this blanket is both water and windproof, which allows it to be suitable for even wet weather. And it equally comes with sealed seams that keep out the byproducts of terrible weather while protecting you. Moreover, it features a reflective interior that goes a long way to guard against hypothermia by keeping you warm and retaining 90% of your body heat. Functioning as an emergency blanket, this product is also as multifunctioning as they come. At number 2, we have the Primacare HB10 Emergency Foil Mylar Thermal Emergency Blanket. These Mylar emergency blankets from Primacare provide an array of options when you're faced with a survival situation. If you have a good survival knife, a way to start a fire, a tactical flashlight and a few of these, you're ready for just about anything. And finally at number 1, we have the Mylar Men's Emergency Blankets. You'll be halfway to safety in any tight spot if you've got a couple of these in your pack. Mylar Men's Emergency Thermal Blankets reflect 90% of body heat, weigh next to nothing and are large enough to wrap securely around you. They're bacteria resistant and can be put to a dozen other uses as well. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.